Yeah, USDCAD Technical Analysis this week. Okay, see, we are waiting from long time this zone. Already is broke the zone now. Okay, so I can extend this trend line here. Okay, so long time here. If you go there, you can sell here. If you buy, you can come here, you can buy, but not now. But if you give any correction here, any small correction, here like this, you can sell again. From there, yeah, from there maybe you can see this came very fastly because of war situation. Canada is a strong, bit strong. But if any give any correction here, to look for the sale setup. Any sale setup is better. Okay, maybe it will reach nearly the trend line also sometimes. And from here, any sale setup is better. Okay, if I take Fibonacci from year to year, this is 4 hour, right? Okay, year to year, maybe you can go year to year. So look for sell setup. If you see any 2C strategy, E strategy is better. Okay, right.